Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Honda CRV steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is in park and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Insert your key into the ignition. Do not try to force the key or the wheel, as this can cause damage. The lock is designed to prevent theft, so it requires a specific technique to release it smoothly and without issue. To begin, gently apply pressure to the steering wheel, turning it slightly left and right. You'll notice a small amount of play in one direction. This is the direction you need to hold the wheel to relieve pressure on the locking mechanism. Keep a steady, light pressure on the wheel in that direction while you proceed to the next step. With the steering wheel held firmly in the direction of its slight give, insert your key into the ignition. Now, try to turn the key to the start position. The key should turn, and your engine should start, releasing the steering wheel lock. If it doesn't work on the first try, release the wheel, try turning it in the opposite direction, and repeat the process. Remember, a little patience goes a long way. Avoid using brute force, as this can damage the ignition or steering mechanism. If the key still won't turn, consider if your key is worn, as this can sometimes prevent it from engaging the tumblers. If you're still having trouble, consult your owner's manual or a professional. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.